the P, the O, the L, the O, the O. Are we ready?
Utima Kumo baby.
Samike on the
Cross songs.
Teddy made it.
Odeme baby. Honey. Undi. Mediane. Matadie won't check mame. Odeme baby. Honey. Undi. Mediane. Matadie. Format.
You stole my heart and gave me heart attack. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No, hell no, broken heart. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No, you stole my heart and gave me heart attack. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No, hell no, broken heart. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. What's my kuma? I'll me muna. Odona chichire me wama. Meni ejina. What I kozuna? I'll felununa. Meni ata. I sensuwe muna. You are my queen of Sheba. Uhucha waya. Who's a queen of diva? Afena me who's a we are more than killer. Bekume ho. Obribre me tequila. Hey. Offer my team bottom to Serpent Drive. What you love you pro and the car you drive. Fear of village, you know the price. Pretty suspend, baby, take time. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. You stole my heart and gave me heart attack. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No, hell no, broken heart. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No, you stole my heart and gave me heart attack. Although giant waiting, I mean your broken heart. No.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, so first of all, I will say a big thanks to you. Yes, I'm so happy in God. That's why I can't talk too much. But like a big balloon, it's an actress in the drama, and the mother as well. And I think for 10 years now, for the past 10 years, I've never seen Peter.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
So that's why I called you to come here, just to join me and have fun together.
Okay. We pop the champagne and then we go and eat and then we make merry. Now, for the benefit of those who are seeing here for the first time, and also for the benefit of the fact that we want to, maybe the question has been bothering you, want to throw it at her. This is the opportunity. We are taking only 3 questions. It's a knowing me, knowing you session. Only 3 questions, then we go. 3 questions. Please keep your question as responsible as possible. Because Zongo boys, they will fit catch you then. GH Hyper. You say, okay, what keeps you going? So the first question is, what keeps her going? Polo, the floor is yours.
My son.
Your son? Oh, beautiful. Just the same way.
My son, because I know I have him, I work hard. Yes, and anytime I see him, he makes me work hard. I'm going back.
That's right. I think it's very responsible. Very, very responsible. Yeah. So the son is the motivation. Just the same way 2020 election is John Mohammed's motivation.
Mine is
So we have another question for Polo.
Where do you want to see yourself 10 years from now?
Oh.
Yes, so yes. Doing something with companies.
In Ghana, America.
Oh,
that's right, girl. That's right, girl. That's right, girl. So that's for you. Can you see? Can you see? You defeat. But you can speak down, bro. Dear Japa, answer the question.
I want to know who is that Nigerian boy you've been posting on your Instagram page.
What's who they're not good on the Ambulu? Brother, the one in birthday party. Who is that? One in party now. See who answer it? I'll answer it for you. I'm the one. He's eager to go on your for months village. He's that Nigeria. To do what? Then answer him if you want.
Thank you. That's all.
Eager to go on your for months village.
You know he's an actor. I'm an actress. And you know how to do it. We are all acting.
Yeah, so it's an acting room. So anytime you see it on the Instagram, that's part 3. Yes, prison break with that. Are we done with it or we have one more question? We are done. We are done. If you are not looking anymore, we need to ask some. Do you have some schoolmates here? What school? What I don't think? So what happened to English? Oh.
Yes. You don't know that.
David. You have to name out. But your English is good. So why do you always say English is this? You don't know more.
Hey, I
don't think it's a top school. Please.
It's a hit, yeah. It's a make it on it.
Dr. Ray
Freestyle. Yeah, dear girl. Sika, no matter what, a best it is a prepaid. Then you dear men for men yes skin pain. Social distancing, a year delay. Corona lockdown, the people they complain. Aeroplane in your pa any cocaine. Kotibe mupe one shall obey insane. Best actor, funny face and nale wins a drop baby in the multi session. Funny face give Calibos back pass. No big deal, players got it is allowed. A chick top them too. What a knockout. Bola Adeba Bismarck, more joke out. Better buy me, own me, online be brave, oh shy me, oh atame, me na me, oh my blawo, eh jacket, bra Michael, who is that girl? See boobs and us, I really like it. Oh yeah, bonde, I really don't care. Pussy at Rebecca said that there. Selfie, oh yeah, be my selfie. Ah, selfie, oh yeah, ba selfie. Mentio, selfie. If you like selfie, selfie. Oh, your boss selfie. Shut up, birthday song for Michi. Equals to made fella doing quickie. Share. Seen I saw in the post with Kiddy. Pisa say go fast so like get believe. Share. Dr. Ray on the beats and make it at the spot. There no be deceit. Female rappers association said did this and no free day fear. Which one be the hit? Somebody fence for him wedding no. Later she came say it be acting no. Sister they be medical. My sweet so Joyce blessing too. We they hear things so. Kennedy Japan make up in bed. Girl show Kennedy way money make set. Bishop Nyaku die way gonna make sad. Social media criers. Jackie Apia doing TikTok. Sandra and Kobe are showing here but Australia. Nadia Boire with the hustle. Sammy K on the beat. This is a hit song. Selfie. Oh yeah, be my selfie. Ah, selfie. Oh yeah, ba selfie. Mentio, selfie. If you like selfie, selfie. Oh yeah, ba selfie. Hey. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. And here's Zanku. Bring back Azonto. And the Besse. Better buy me, own me. Go online be brave, oh shy me. Oh atame, me na me. Oh my blawo, eh jacket. Bra Michael, who is that girl? See boobs and us, I really like it. Oh yeah, bonde, I really don't care. Pussy at Rebecca said that there. Selfie. Oh yeah, be my selfie. Ah, selfie. Oh yeah, ba selfie. Mentio, selfie. If you like selfie, selfie. Oh yeah, ba selfie. Scroll bottom. Oh yeah, be my selfie. Ah, selfie. Oh yeah, ba selfie. Mentio, selfie. If you like selfie.
You didn't go. We got it. When you get to good news filling station, talk down, take a right. I'm like, who names the filling station these days? Good news is for newspaper, magazine. Only for me to get there, and even an area boy said, oh, what's that? I know good news. So that's what the scripture said is goodness and mercy shall follow us. I never knew the Bible was saying good news and mercy shall follow us. So please, that's how come I've been roaming about, but I'm finally here. And I must say, everybody's looking beautiful right about now. Please show some love for yourselves. And the guys are looking okay. You got it for yourself. So we are here to celebrate a sister who has made it in life. All the way from Suhum. We didn't know she would get this far. Nobody knew. When she did her first video. How many of you remember her first video?
With Jimmy Samba.
Oh, her first video, she was talking about something. Moisha. That was, if you're a real Polo fan, you should know her first video. She was talking about Moisha and the fact that she will even not do only step sugar daddy, but she will even do sugar grandfather. Like, and she was saying that Moisha is supposed to demand a house, and that's because for her when you touch her, it's only a house she gets. At that time too, the chest was looking somewhere. I don't know who remembers. It was looking like, you know.
I remember.
But the only
I remember the chest.
Poverty no good. But we have graduated. But me myself, as I stand here, if you look my before, you won't respect me.
At all.
It's normal.
At all.
But those who are laughing, your before is worse than mine. Because even your now is still no good. Appreciate you. So we are here to support the sister, just a sister. I think it's been good so far. I've seen some drinks, some birthday cake and all of that. Nobody brought her a dictionary or thesaurus. Which means we don't really think about her that much. Yes, because. But I think Polo's English might not be good, but at least it's better than Hebrews. It's better than first.
Make a pass.
It's what Corinthians. Why are you behaving like I'm the only one who heard it? So there will be no more attack only me. We all heard it. None of us we are sellout. What did we get?
Debola.
Dialect. Aha. And then there was one. You said Malay. And then there was one. Well, I like it so much because of the confidence in it. Who is cassette here? We got to know when you're going to mouth. On basic growth. I don't know if it's growing or it's growth, but still, we appreciate the fact that she made an attempt. So we are here for our sister. She's the 12th queen of Ghana. I think we can even give the king to her. Polo twerk for no reason. We can actually give her a good morning. Oh, good morning. And she always has invisible enemies. If they pay them, if they pay who, nobody knows. And I've been a supporter of Polo. I'm actually one of the first people who attacked her when she came out. Was it Golden Movie Awards? And she came on stage to speak some NDC English.
Hey. What's wrong with that one?
I don't like the sound. I said,
You can't be yourself.
you cannot feel safe right now.
You are not safe, my brother.
And I did attack her. I was expecting this girl to insult me back, so I know that we have to cancel her from the industry. She has been through some tough times. But trust me, when I attacked Polo's English and her delivery, she didn't insult me back. She played around it. She played around it, made me know that she didn't appreciate the fact that, you know, I picked on her and everything. And I was wondering, who is coaching this girl? Because in show business, when somebody who is your senior attacks you, you don't attack back. You massage the issue, you know, you play around it so that there is no bad blood. And she did the same thing, perfect. And I knew, no, there was somebody behind her. And ladies and gentlemen, I tell you what, from scratch, one person who has led Polo to the right path is sitting here with a forehead looking like an Indian. Please show some love for Ronnie. It's everywhere. You didn't expect this? Yes. Because I asked her, I later got in touch with her, I asked her, who is coaching you? Who is the one who told you the right thing to do? And she said, oh, Ghana's very own Kukumbadia. I know the only one looking like Badia. And ever since, she hasn't looked back. So people saw her as a village girl who has come to the industry to make noise. But they didn't realize that out of the chaos was something more than just chaosness. People didn't want to sit on table with her. I remember there were some events. They go like, is that girl going to be on my table? They say yes, then I'm not interested. Yeah, as if Polo is a public toilet. You know, she's gone through hard times. But she was resilient. She didn't care. No, I don't care. I'll still go. I'll still go. You know, she always sounds like somebody who was born just left her. I'll still go. I'm sorry, you know, and I like her resilience. She goes to sit on the table. If you don't sit, she'll take the table to herself. I mean, she's been on stage where she's about to contribute to the acceptance speech and she was dragged away. Yeah, if it was some other people, they would have controlled, they would have folded, they would have accepted. But then, do you know what she did? She slipped her hand away and went back to the microphone. This shows this is somebody who wants to achieve something. And all through that, people were now getting to understand what she was about. So she's not just a mad girl, she's not just crazy, but oh, she could dance. And people got to realize that she has been dancing in music videos, not today, long time. Even the popular one, Stonebwoy's Beam Nation song, right? She was in there dancing. And the way she was dancing, you could tell some 100 Ghana was waiting for her. She put herself in it, you know? And so people's eyes, people were now enlightened. Oh, the girl is talented. Then she got into movies a bit. And all through that, it was a bit chaotic. Then she went into music. And then I blocked her a little bit. Yeah, I mean. But as time went on, the music grew on us. And now you're okay to hear me Kwe. And TikTok did very well for her because it's very difficult for someone who's very established in the industry to tag along with not just a newbie, but someone who doesn't conform. And TikTok did an amazing job for her. And as we speak now, her song is doing well on Billboard charts. Yeah. Top 100. And she's had concert, Beyonce and all of that, but she's busy.
Yeah, together with Stonebwoy, yeah.
Together with Stonebwoy, yes. So, all through that, it got to the biggest one, meet and greet. And a moment of silence for the participants.
That story is a crazy story.
Some even one about to put. I don't know whether they were going to try trace Cardi B. But it was a serious moment in people's lives. And Becca invited everybody but her. Becca invited every girl but Ekwaku Polo. Because, well, she's too loud, she's too uncultured, she's kind of uncooked, you know. She doesn't make the cut. What happened? Polo invited herself. That tells me that you have a Wi-Fi with a password on the Polo can break your password. And they got there and the disaster happens. Cardi B, instead of going for the meet and greet, chose to meet and greet with kebab. Which was very disastrous to some of the girls. A lot of them doing videos. I remember Victor, I let Benet did her video. I'm so hurt that such a thing can happen to her. You know, you just married and at 3 months it's very painful. Because she has just
Painful.
she has just got, you know. And so on. So many girls were frustrated. And they left. What did our sister do? She stuck around. She waited. And look, this story of Polo and Cardi B should be a footnote to all of you. That don't wait to be invited. And when you go there, persist above everybody. But don't go empty-handed. Go with, "Sassy for your honey." Very delicious. I never thought she could do that. I never thought she would go with her honey. I thought, okay, you've not been invited. Okay, but honey, that would be extreme. Oh, Polo don't give a shit. She went there with her honey. So upon waiting and waiting, Cardi B decided that let's do a quasi meet and greet. So she came to let's do a quick 30-40 minutes thing. And what happened? all the doctors, the laboratory coat wearers, the prestigious lay queens didn't get a chance to twerk with Cardi B. She was on the floor twerking with Cardi B, doing their own thing, having fun, and Cardi B was excited because of all the places she could go. She never knew she could meet somebody of this sort in Ghana. I mean, the skin tone is the same, body cute, nice, pointed nose, very loud for no reason. So they share similar qualities and similarities. And if you look at it deeply, Cardi B is the Kwame Polo of America. So they sort of got along and all of that. And before we knew, Polo was viral across the world. Everybody, who is this African girl? Man, shit. Who the hell is that girl? Oh man, she told me Cardi B. Oh, she probably Cardi C or something. You know, what I said is so quick for 1 year, yes, right? They're rioting, that's why I'm here. Yeah, I mean, I'm international, yeah, I mean, here. I'm just living with a couple of people. What's that?
Cardi B post on.
Yeah, so, whoa, sounds like, wow, they just formed a friendship, twerking, showing various angles of twerking and all of that. And they can twerk and they go to a point they act like frogs. It was all, exciting. And they became friends. Next thing, Cardi B posts, Kwame Polo, I found a twin. And that was the end of Polo's enemies. Oh man, she killed them. Oh, she killed them. She said, I'm Cardi B's twin. What twin are you? She just put in your face for you to know that you don't have a twin anymore. Oh man, she posted. Even if I was Cardi B, I'll mute Polo for a while. Oh, tell you realize I was sad for Cardi B.
I'm like, you go block and
Even when Ghanaians is okay, Cardi B, look at her, he's shouting at Cardi B. Give me this at your country.
She unfollowed there. That's what they were saying.
Yeah, me too.
No, Americans are not like that. They're my people. Like, when we follow you, like it's for
Ghanaians
us.
were saying,
Now, we don't give a fuck about Ghanaians. Like, we do our shit for real, though. It's my people, you know what I mean? I'm half American, you know that?
it's like,
My boy, so and ever since Cardi B endorsed her career has taken an eagle flight, never come down. She's gone on. Someone who? What's about you? Your data is finished. Two single blogger. And from that point, you're good. The industry had no option than to accept her highness, Rosamond Brown, aka Kwame. Listen, Kwame Polo suffered though. She suffered so much, even the Kwame, is it King of Chief, came out to denounce her. Yes. Lord, I'll give up. Because even Bukom Chief hasn't come out to denounce him. Yeah, that's right. The Kwame Chief came out. The Kwame Fu, Hamochao, Yemne the Mazi, Yenzi, they're different. Yebuyamu, all sort of things. But Polo didn't care. They think they're people different Kwame. You know, the voice of resilience, the voice of somebody who wants to achieve something. And today here we are. Her account is verified on Instagram. You know, so much achievement. If you look at it on the same level, they're level playing grounds. Her fellow dancers, ask yourself, where are they? So all I want to tell you today is that please, let's use the passion, the drive, the determination, the persistence, the resilience of the Kwame Polo in our life. When your office people are stressing you, tell them your mind. If you tell them your mind and they don't want to accept it, to work for no reason. And keep screaming, it pay you, and it will work. Because Accra is tough. The hatred, the sabotage is tough. But also, we need to show some love for the bloggers. They really held the Kwame Polo down. So show some love for all the bloggers. GH Kweku, running is everywhere. GH Hyper, and then Sammy Kemika. Any other? Oh, also everything cool. And then the mobile money. We also have ARX Studios here, the #1 photo shoot.
Yep.
They don't do nude shoots. They don't do nude shoots. They are very cultured.
Dagati girl.
Yeah.
Who's that?
The guy here.
What?
She wants to
Female
know.
blogger. Female
The
blogger.
only
You're the only female blogger.
Yeah.
And there's Nana Kessie.
The unemployment
Eh.
is tough in this
Nana
country.
Kessie is here.
Who is Nana Kessie?
Yeah.
Oh, the one you later they finish.
Yeah.
No, you not finished.
Who's that?
I master is also here.
One?
FM can.
What's that?
Online radio. CEO.
How many listeners do they have?
Hey, Ellis Media. Ellis Media.
I master.
Oh, high passes. Oh, Nana. Oh, for
Original.
Rough photography.
Rufford. I know Rufford. He owes me, so I know.
Please video me.
Exactly. Ruff. Hey. Interpreter Monday. Don't send me Sunday. I don't know what to do. Oh, sorry. I ain't not tired with a boss on. Any other blogger I haven't recognized?
Yes, sir.
Hype masters, anything that happens to you, do pick it and dissect it mercilessly. Yeah, you are Frankie, eh? Yeah, that guy is never going far. I'm being.
BKB online.
Who is that? You know what I do for people, brother, you remember? Any other blogger I haven't recognized? Oh, and DJ, Kami Polo. Oh.
Natalie.
Who is Natalie? Natalie is Natalie here.
Yes. I thought
We send our condolences. It's tough. You know, I actually thought DJ Lalo's single was worse. This is what? No,
I beg repeat that again.
please.
I beg one
Don't
more
do that,
time.
please. Ogboro Nati.
Ah, let them finish it. Well, I heard was somewhere.
Big Family Radio.
Ah, okay.
Big Family Radio.
I don't know if you have to understand.
I thought DJ Lalo's single. Who remembers DJ Lalo's single?
DJ Laluiba.
No, you don't. No. You have destroyed Olu FM statistics.
DJ Lalu Oswiki. DJ Lalu.
But it starts with la 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 la.
Ah, no, DJ Lalu.
You know my favorite part? There's this small one that DJ Lalu won't get you. So we are only here to have fun and support our sister. Please, let's not leave empty-handed. Let's all open our mobile money account and send mobile money to Polo right now, please. She has a son. She has a child. Please open your mobile money to Hebrews. Please start 170. Please, let's go. Let's start Polo.
Go, start.
Let's all that. Let's all that.
If a gay guy like you take the mumu already. I know the password.
I don't get Momo. You know the number they send the Momo. What is the name of the person? Charles Edwin.
Charles Edwin.
My God.
You open them. You open
I'm a
them.
high-tech robber. Please, let's dance Polo money again. Sorry, I'm not qualified.